Hello everyone, welcome to NZ Car Limited. Look at this car guys, this is 2013 Holden Commodore Omega station wagon. This is going for only 13,995. We dropped down its price from 14,995 to 13,995. This is New Zealand new. There's a good quality mag wheels, tinted windows, and look at the interior. It's nice and clean. A lot of boot space as it is a station wagon. This is automatic and Triptonic as well. Financing options are also available. You can apply on our website www.nzcar.org or walk into 717 Great South Road, Papa Toto. Thank you.